today I'm going to be showing you this tutorial on how to do this marble stone nail. There are lots of many different ways to do marble stone nails, and there's lots of different types of stone and looks. So this is just an example of how I do it. So there's not one way or wrong way. This is just the way I do it. So for the supplies I'm going to be using the Akzentz Luxio base and gloss, the colors Dreamy and Wisp, the Akzentz gel play in black and golden nugget, and then I'm also going to be using my light Elegance stripy brush. So first, if you are applying this to natural nails, you want to start off with your base coat. I am just using this plastic tip here, so I am going to skip the base coat layer and go straight into color. But if you apply your base coat, cure for 30 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in UV. So first I'm going to be applying the color Dreamy, which is a white that has a little bit of like a pearl shimmer to it, which makes it really good for marbling. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this, and I'm going to be curing in between each layer. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED or 2 minutes in UV. So after I have applied both layers of the white Dreamy color and cured, I'm next going to apply a layer of the top coat, the Luxio gloss, but an important step is you do not want to cure this one. You want to leave this wet. So apply your top gloss and do not cure. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Wisp, which is a really, really light gray. You can use a light gray, you can go a little bit darker, it just depends on the look that you're wanting. So I'm going to use Wisp, and I'm going to put the color straight into the gloss. So I'm putting the wet color straight onto that gloss that hasn't been cured yet, and I'm going to go in kind of some sweeping motions, just making sure that it all goes towards like the same direction. So I'm not going up and down and side to side. I'm just going side to side and creating some little bit of depth for the start of our marble. After that, I'm going in with my gel play in black, and the gel play is a gel that's made for art, so it doesn't melt quite as much as just a gel polished black would into that clear. So I can create some pretty fine lines, and it stays like that, which is awesome. So I'm just creating some veins for the marble in the same direction as I applied that gray. And again, we have not cured yet, so this is all on the wet gloss. And I'm just going in and creating some really kind of fine lines. And then I'm going to go in and add a little bit more black where the veins meet, and just kind of playing around with it. The more you play with the veins, the more they're going to blend into that clear, and you're going to get more of like a blended look versus having something that's like really contrasting. So after I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to go in and add a little bit of sparkle. This is optional, but I feel like the sparkle like completes the marble. So I was going to show you guys a couple of other options that I like to use. So I have golden nugget, which is this like really strong, I guess yellow gold you could say. And then I have pink champagne, which is your rose gold. And then I also have cosmic silver. And then lastly is glistening gold, which is kind of your champagne gold. And these are all part of the gel play line. So again, they're good for art. You can like draw really fine lines with them and stuff. It's great. So I'm going to go with golden nugget, and I am going to apply it right where the darkest part of the black is. So if you kind of like envision like the stone has cracked where that black, that really the dark part is, and then into the crack you can see like kind of some shimmer coming out from the inside, almost kind of like if you think of like a geode or something would be. So I'm just going to apply that. And again, totally your design. You create what you want, the type of look you're looking for. And I'm just dragging that through, placing it in different spots. And then once I am totally happy with the way that it looks, then I'm going to cure. So I have not cured it all up until this point, and now I'm going to cure all of that, that whole layer. So the gloss, the gray, the black, and the gold is all getting cured. Then lastly, I'm just going to apply my layer of top gloss to gloss over the whole thing, or you can do matte if you are looking for like a matte look. Luxio gloss is not a tack-free top coat, so you have to cleanse the tacky layer off. And there you have it. That is the way I do my marble nails. And let me know what you guys think. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe and comment if you have any other questions. Thanks. Have a good day.